If you've suddenly seen an auxiliary battery malfunction warning on your 2012 Mercedes E350, don't panic. It's a very common issue, and the good news is that it's usually one of the easiest repairs you can do yourself. In this video, I'll explain what the auxiliary battery does, how to recognize the warning signs, and how to replace it safely. So, what exactly is the auxiliary battery? Unlike the main battery that starts your engine, the auxiliary battery provides backup power to certain electronic systems. It helps keep important features operating properly during specific driving conditions and supports the vehicle's electrical system. When this small battery begins to fail, your Mercedes will often let you know with a dashboard message before it causes bigger inconveniences. Some of the most common symptoms include an auxiliary battery malfunction warning on the instrument cluster, occasional electrical glitches, or warning lights that appear even though the engine starts normally. In most cases, the car remains drivable, but replacing the battery sooner rather than later is the best idea. On the 2012 Mercedes E350, the auxiliary battery is typically located under the dashboard area on the passenger side, behind a trim panel. Before starting the replacement, make sure the ignition is completely off and remove the key from the vehicle. Carefully remove the trim panel, disconnect the negative connector first if applicable, then unplug the battery connector and remove the old battery. Install the new battery in the same position, reconnect everything securely, and reinstall the trim panel. A few simple tips can help you avoid mistakes. Always use the correct replacement battery specified for your vehicle. Double check that every connector is fully seated, and never force any plastic clips or electrical plugs into place. Taking your time will help ensure a smooth repair. After installing the new auxiliary battery, the warning message usually disappears automatically after the system recognizes the new battery. In some cases, it may take a short drive or a few ignition cycles before the message clears completely. I hope this guide made the replacement process easier to understand. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more Mercedes repair tutorials, and leave a comment below if you have any questions or need help with your E-Class. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.